Hi, I'm Mackenzie Gorham. I'm the program coordinator and instructor for the Nuclear Operations Technology program at ESTEC. This program trains nuclear operators for control room operations and facility operations at nuclear reactors and other types of nuclear material handling facilities. We have multiple lab facilities on campus where you can learn practical skills for working in a radiation environment and a simulator for learning how to control nuclear reactor operations. We have students end up being employed at Idaho National Lab and commercial power reactors throughout the United States, as well as radiation waste management facilities and other nuclear fuel cycle facilities. We have a 96% placement rate for students who graduate from our program, who either go on in education or get placed in industry. And it's a really fun and exciting career with a lot of income potential and satisfying job security.